bell, do an overhead squat to the bottom until you're all the way down. Now that left hand, your left elbow is going to be on the inside of your left thigh. Now you're going to curl the left kettlebell to your chest. Now you stand up. Now you press or push press that left hand overhead. Lower the right kettlebell to your chest. Squat down. Now you lower the right kettlebell to the floor. Okay, we're on the other side. Curl the right hand to the chest. Stand up. Press. Lower. Squat down and touch it down. Okay, let's do 4 more reps. Curl, stand, press, lower, squat, uncurl. Curl, stand, press, lower, squat, uncurl. Go at your own pace. And 1 more each side. When you're finished, put the bottom down on the floor, stand up, and lower.